Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this BMW 1 Series 2020 model. From factory, car came with like many options. Like you can see, this is the M package, ambient lights, everything is available. Bucket seats, you can see, very beautiful car. But unfortunately, BMW has not provided a good hand unit in the car, so it came without navigation and without CarPlay. And plus, this car doesn't has the reversing camera. But today the customer bring in his car for the Apple CarPlay activation, so we have activated its original OEM CarPlay. Right now here you can see this is the CarPlay menu or CarPlay option. All the mobile phone applications I have on my iPhone that supports Apple CarPlay are available here. For example, you can see we have phone, music, like this is the Apple On Music. I don't have any Spotify or any other music app on my phone right now, but I have different navigations. For example, this is the Google's On navigation. We go back, then we have messages, BMW. This is for going back to the original menu. Audiobook settings, we can change like different themes. We have like some parking applications. We have Google Maps, OBD11. This is the Swedish radio that we use in Sweden. It shows like different channels like this. It's directly connected online radio, very good application. Then we have some like podcasts, but obviously it's in Swedish language. We have like different categories for drama, history, humor, economy, technique, everything like you want to listen, it's available on the radio in this application. Then we have like three different types of navigation. First is Apple On Maps, then we have like Google Map here, then we have this third app that is Waze. So if you want to use Waze, you can use the Waze from here. You can zoom out this adjustment, you can zoom in. All the applications, all the settings are available here that support Apple CarPlay. So as normal, the CarPlay is here. It supports the touchscreen as well. As you can see, this is the OEM CarPlay that is activated. So all the applications that I have on my phone, they are working with the touch screen as well. So here you can see we have the music, radio, the Apple Music. So you can see everything is like available here. On tapping the BMW, I am going back to the BMW menu or like OEM menu, but as I click this option, it will directly available here. Then we have like some other applications. If your mobile is equipped with or installed with some different applications, and if they all support, it will be appear here directly. So this is wirelessly connected here. We have installed the antennas, we have programmed the CarPlay. It's OEM CarPlay, OEM spec. You can see we tap on the BMW, it comes on the home menu. We will do any kind of retrofit. We can do like back cameras, like iDrive versions, biggest navigation. Like this car will come again for like reversing camera because car has only the sensors. So you can see that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below. We install all kind of multimedia solutions and ambient lights, star lights, reversing cameras, OEM codings, and pretty much this kind of stuff. You can contact me in the description below. I will provide the contact information with the WhatsApp or with the email. We are based in Stockholm, Sweden. You can contact us or you can visit our shop as well. Thank you. Bye bye.